All right, we're getting ready to go for a small little hike today. Putting our gear on. Let's get going. Hey peeps, come. Come here. Good boy. So like I said, we're heading out in the woods. So I have in my backpack a couple cameras again. We're gonna go put the cameras back out. So as you saw in the last video, put the cameras out, but I didn't get a lot. So we're gonna put them back out here and let them sit out here for a little longer. See what we can get. Dog is having a blast right now. The only thing I wish I brought was some glasses. Snow's kind of hitting my eyes a little bit. And it's a little bright out here. But it is really coming down right now. I don't know if you can see this. It is just coming down. Michigan hasn't seen this much snow all winter long. This is nuts. Look at these tracks. I wonder who it can belong to. Huh, peeps? Who do these tracks belong to, buddy? Huh? Okay. Set this guy up. I think that's a good spot. Lance, do you think I should face it that way this time?
No, I think that's good.
What time is it? It's 11:53, so...
What a beautiful snowy day.
Alrighty, number one camera out. Just a hiking away today. Look at this beautiful snow behind me. Isn't it awesome? And then there's Petey boys that just keeps running around. He is just booking it and having so much fun. We're just hiking now for a good while today. Might as well get out, go do some hiking of your own. Let's go. Michigan weather is so bipolar. Check this out. One day it looks like this, and the next day it looks like this. Super crazy, can you believe that? But Michigan, we love it here. I don't know if you can all see this, but the snow is just coming down right now. Super cool. All right, peeps, let's go. This way, buddy. Good. Thanks so much for all of you who are watching. Don't forget, if you're new, go hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, but most of all, go rewatch some of my old videos. I think you're really gonna like it. Thank you so much. I will see you guys later on. We're still gonna continue our hike, so don't cut off yet. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Take a bullet. All right, let's go. He's like a bullet, he just goes. I don't like all this gizmos on my face. But hey, it keeps me warm. Man, oh man, the snow is just coming down now.
Hard to keep your eyes open.
Blizzard weather. I knew I should have worn my sunglasses. Gorgeous. And then there's Peepsy boys. Hey, going this way. Come on. There's my Peepsy boys. Peeps, did you think we were still hiking, Peeps? Well, hold on, Peeps. We gotta go this way first, Peeps. Come on, let's go. Come on.